Hey guys, this is Ronak and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to upload a very cool video, a most awaited video for the people who want a big 50-inch television, which is available on the Flipkart. I have bought it for around 31999, and now it is costing for 35999, I guess. So I purchased it on the Republic Day sale, that is on the 26th Jan 2016. So this model is LED 50K 160GP. Okay, so it is from the Play series. So I'm going to quickly unbox it, and while I'm unboxing it, I've already mounted my TV on the tabletop. So TV is not in the inside of the box, but apart from TV, what we get is, see, a catalog and thermocol and see, this is the, I guess, mount wall kit. So this will come on inside the box. Apart from this, we have a television which is already on the tabletop. See this. So now I'm gonna show you the television. Just wait a minute, guys. So this is the television. Look how crisp and clear it is. I'm going to play a slideshow video which I have uploaded earlier before today.
Media. Like we pay 15 theater to watch.
The audio is average, the audio is not so good, so loud.
We pay here on the Netflix guys. So they.
But the TV is having a very good picture quality. I have connected to my CPU with it. I'm gonna show you some pictures so that you easily can recognize the how crisp and clear the display is. It is actually way better than the one which I have bought earlier. It was a 43-inch IPS model, so it is better than that. And this TV is having 120 Hz of refresh rate and 60 Hz of panel refresh rate. And this TV is having a DLED. Earlier, before this TV was launched in 2015 with Edge LED. So now they have just done some modification in their launch, and which is good, because Edge LED are simply not kind of my thing. I mean, the brightness level are so dull in Edge LED, and the black details are not so good. And in this TV we can generally find this kind. We love the way when we watch any video of it. For example, 1080p full HD videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some video game. Okay, so that you can see the clarity of the game. And by playing it, I guess, hopefully will not face any copyright issue. So this game is Rayman. See, I'm having a keyboard, so I'm playing it with it. Why is not the audio is coming? I don't know why the audio is not coming from the TV. I guess there must be some cable fault. But TV is in good. I mean, the audio is not so loud when I connect it to my CPU. But yeah, it is great. Guys, do note the black level. See how black it is, and how crisp and clear it is. Please start the game. Yeah, it is started, and the video which I am recording it is S4, Samsung Galaxy S4. Pretty nice camera, but there is a focusing issue. And playing game in a 50-inch TV is kind of wow, I think. Oh god, see, a dragon is coming. See, you can easily get the detail, each and every detail is coming through this video. There is no any pixelation issue. I don't know how to beat it because I'm playing it with one hand. There is some specification written on the Flipkart. In Flipkart they have written there, this TV comes with 2 SD. Sorry for the interruption, guys. So yeah, the Flipkart has in their specification they have written there, this TV comes with 2 USB port and 2 HDMI. But when I have seen the correct specification, I found it to be wrong, because this TV comes with 2 HDMI and 1 USB. And hopefully this TV supports Blu-ray content, and AC3 codec is supported, which lacks on the IPS LED, which I have bought earlier, and also uploaded video of that. So I'm gonna just coming to the desktop. Why it is not coming? Yeah, just wait a minute, guys. Main menu, game, yes. I am not having a good graphic card. I have actually a GT 640, sorry, but it is not of the GTX series. It is normal GT 640. So not having a great graphic card. I don't know why the video is shaking. Yeah, no, it's good. So I'm gonna give you a menu, how to menu option display here. See, in the menu option we generally have picture mode, brightness mode, contrast, color, sharpness, tint, backlit, color temperature, 3D NR, I don't know what it is. Now second we have sound. In the sound mode, equalizer, balance, ABC, digital audio. Now we have screen mode, then setting. Yeah, guys, do notice there is written auto light. Keep this always in a off mode, because by the time when it goes to the darker side, when that video is showing any dark side of the video, so it automatically dark that portion in a way, in a deep black, I mean. So it will just like a auto brightness of the mobile sensor. It is just like a auto brightness of the sensor. So so this is the quick view. Now I'm gonna show you the back of this TV. Okay, just wait. So on the side panel we have a small remote, a cool remote, a cool key. And now I'm gonna show you. See, VU 120 centimeter, Mono LED 50K160 GP. I've connected a pen drive, 3.5 mm jack port is here. This is my VGA port. and HDMI. See, one HDMI is blank, I mean you can connect it, and see, there is only one pair of USB, nothing else. Here are the components. Now here we have a 10 watt of speaker. One is here, another one is here. This is the power cable. Okay, thank you guys, keep subscribing me. I'm gonna upload some more video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.